Hey Slayers, it's your girl Sarah. Thank you for tuning in today. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment, and share with a friend. So we're gonna slay this wig together. Let's get into the slays. So right now I'm starting with a nice braid foundation so I can make sure my wig lays nice and flat. And you want to make sure you're not braiding your hair too tight, because if you do, then that's gonna pull your edges away. So once you're done with your braid foundation, you can go ahead and use some got-to-be glue gel to make sure your edges are moved out the way. I use a small amount all around the hairline and just kind of move the hair back. So I do like to moisturize the scalp before applying my wig, and I'm using the Do Grow Anti-Itch Oil. Apply your wig cap and use any type of holding spray to help the wig cap stick to your head. This is what's going to give you that nice ball cap method look. And you want to make sure that the wig cap or the spray that's on the wig cap is fully dry before you go ahead and cut the lace on it. And as you can see, I'm just going to go and cut all around the lace. Using some foundation, I'm going to just go ahead and start tinting my client's wig cap. You want to make sure that color is as close to their skin as possible. That step is important because that's what's going to give you that nice finish. Start by applying a nice even layer of glue all around your client's hairline. You want to make sure that layer is nice and even, so that way when you go apply your wig, there's no white residue. You can repeat that step as many times as you need. I do go in a few times to make sure that I have a nice hold. Go ahead and start cutting the extra lace. I always like to start in the middle and make my way around. If needed, you can go back and tweeze any extra hair so that way your wig does not look too wiggy. And we did go for a side part, and I'm going to just go ahead and start styling her hair. So my clients did want some baby hair, and as you can see, I'm going to just go along the hairline and take out a small amount of hair. You do not want to take out too much hair because then you'll end up with bangs. That is not what you want. So you want to make sure the hair is small enough for you to just be able to swoop it around with no problem. Before styling the hair, I'm going to go ahead and add some soft layers to it. The reason why I'm doing that is so that way the hair has more volume and flow to it. Sorry I'm kind of short, you can't really see what I'm doing, but yeah. As announced, I am doing a giveaway for the class of 2020. You have a chance to get your wig installed and makeup for free. And I've also paired up with a good photographer to provide you guys with a free photo shoot for either your senior, prom, or graduation pictures. All you have to do is follow me on Instagram at Slay by Sarah, subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share this video. Like I mentioned before, to style the hair, we're gonna add some curls to it. So I started parting her hair. The parts are not too small, not too big. I just want them to be like a decent size so I can have some nice big flowy curls. And I am using my flat iron. I love using flat irons to curl hair. If you prefer a curling iron, you can go ahead and do that. And you can also straighten the hair if you like. So this right here is the final result. As you can see, her lace is fully melted. Looks like it's coming straight out of her scalp. So I'm gonna just go ahead and brush the curls out. This is why adding some soft layers are so important, so you can have a nice flow to your curls. And it's also gonna give the hair some type of volume to it too. But yeah, so I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you're subscribed, press the notification bell button, and if you haven't watched my last video, that one is so important. Make sure you go watch it, and follow your girl on Instagram at Slayed by Sarah. Thank you guys for watching, and see you soon.